Long sound of vowel A. Alphabet A has two sounds, long sound and short sound. Long sound of A is A and short sound of A is A. Today we are going to talk about long sound of A. A makes the A sound when it ends with a consonant and letter E. And in the word, last letter E doesn't make any sound. The word ends with letter E, but the sound ends with consonant. Our first word is ape. Children, ape word ends with E, but the sound ends with a consonant which is P. Let's see some pictures which have the sound ape. K, ape, cape. T, ape, tape. Now let's see the words ending with ache. Ache, lake. Ache, cake. Ache, bake. Let's see some words ending with ale. Ale, male. Ale, sail. Ale, tail.